Look what we did.
What do you think? Very good, guys.
Yeah? You impressed?
I am impressed.
You have to see the beehouse.
That's nice. I like that. Do we have to do anything to it to attract the bees?
No, they're supposed to understand on their own what they're doing.
Well, it's opening season. Opening day. Do you want to say anything?
Not really.
You want to talk about driving us up here?
Huh?
You want to talk about driving us up here?
No. Don't.
Okay. I wish you would.
I wish you would, honey.
Am I being mocked on camera? One day you'll wish you would.
That might be true. Please stop.
Oh, försiktigt. Jag kan ta så flytta den där stigen. Ja, det går billigare. Barn tillbaka.
Det får du göra.
It's very littered out here.
Littered?
This is the post snow chaos of everything. It's a bit better than I expected, actually. The garage survived fairly well. How many pictures of the bee house have you taken?
I don't know. 5 maybe.
All right. Should I turn this off?
Yep.
Okay, it's off. You can now talk to me.
I can see.
You can.
Is it off?
Yeah, it's off.
No, it's not.
Are you driving us back home?
No, didn't you hear Mama? She was just too stressed.
Too stressed? Oh, the sun's in her face, I think. Does that mean I get to sit in the front? All right.
No.
All right.
Yep.
Are we about to leave?
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Until next time. When are we coming back?
Next weekend.
Next weekend?
To do what? Do I drive?
Enjoy.
Take some updated photos of the bee house.
Yeah.
Can I drive?
Uncle, yes, you can drive. Uncle Johnny's birdhouse is very nice there, isn't it? Fits. All right, bye.